World Medical Innovation Forum, an unprecedented immersion into 3 of today's fastest breakthrough areas in medicine: brain health and central nervous system disorders, oncology, and inflammation and immunology. You'll hear from CEOs, industry leaders, and members of Harvard's medical faculty on the breakthroughs that will improve the lives of patients while opening new opportunities for investors. Healthcare leaders will explore the promise of breakthroughs in all 3 fields, challenges in their development, and related investment and market dynamics. Deep dive into the next wave of promising psychiatry and neurology drugs, along with the genetic medicine frontier for CNS, the biologic revolution of oncology, and emerging therapies in immunology and inflammation. These 3 major investment and scientific growth areas are shaping the future of healthcare and have the potential to greatly improve patient outcomes and quality of life. With a shared commitment to advance both medical breakthroughs and Boston's continued growth as a global biotech and investment hub, Mass General Brigham and Bank of America have partnered again to bring you this year's must-attend event. Register today for the World Medical Innovation Forum.